What up?
Hey, Trace, listen. Looks like things you need, right? I don't want to get it wrong. C-A-S-O-O-S-E. Is that right? What's your date of birth?
1981.
Okay, all I heard was 1981. 3/19/1981. Have you ever had an Arizona license or ID? I live right here, right out of Arizona. Okay, do you know the last four of your social? So, okay, Tracy, before I run your name, I give people one opportunity. Are you clear for information? Right now, you are being absentee.
Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're diving into another heated police interaction that reminds everyone exactly why knowing your rights matters. The video opens with officers questioning a woman about her identity, spelling out her name, pressing for her date of birth, and digging for personal details. The tone feels routine at first, but you can sense the tension underneath. This is how many encounters begin. Calm on the surface, but loaded with authority. The officers control the pace, the questions, and the narrative. And while it may look like standard procedure, every word matters. Because when citizens don't understand their rights in moments like this, the balance of power shifts fast. And that's exactly where problems begin.
She didn't hit your car or anything, did she?
These cars that were trying to run me over, and I try to talk to Steve. I try to talk to them, and I was like hyperventilating.
You want fire?
What?
Do you want the fire workers to come?
No, earlier I was like hyperventilating. I was like I have an anxiety attack, and Steve wouldn't help me. I just never around the corner. I just wanted to get home safe.
I just met your kid here.
Hi, how are you?
What up?
Good. Could you step back, please?
Why are you coming up to me like that?
You're really close to my officers, and this is a crime scene.
And Kyler had no problem with me standing right here.
Okay.
I'm perfectly fine. You just pulled up. You don't know what's going on with me.
Okay. Are you part of the case?
Can you get out of my space?
Are you part of the case?
I am allowed to be here. Singh knows I'm here.
Okay. Can you just back up? I do not say you're not allowed to be here.
As the conversation continues, the woman becomes emotional, explaining that she was nearly run over and that no one believes her. She describes anxiety, hyperventilating, and feeling unsafe just trying to get home. Instead of reassurance, we see confusion and detachment. This is where accountability truly matters. When someone claims distress or fear, officers are expected to assess the situation calmly and professionally. But instead of clarity, the scene feels scattered. The woman's frustration grows, her words rushed and desperate. Whether her claims are accurate or not, the response from law enforcement should remain measured and composed. Yet the emotional gap between civilian and officer widens, and that disconnect sets the stage for what's about to escalate.
Can you back up?
I'm actually going to stand right here.
Okay.
I asked you to back up, please.
What am I doing wrong? I have
You're
not.
standing very close to my officers. All I'm asking
Okay,
you to do
they've
is
had
stand
no
up.
problem with me.
Okay.
I'm not interfering. Their attention has not been taken away from her. I'm gonna continue standing right here where I've been and not causing no problems. Crosby,
Absolutely.
if it becomes a problem,
Just know that you're videotaping somebody on their very worst day. They're having a rough day.
I understand.
And I'm assuming you're going to
And
post
when-
this on video somewhere?
I'm gonna post our interaction.
As long as you just don't interfere, then
Yeah,
you
I'm
can stand right there.
dude. I've been here.
All right.
Crosby, you're a fucking clown.
Okay to be here.
Looking forward to this day that we're trespassing.
Okay, I'm here.
Can't come back. They don't want you here.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, I'm gonna go show you.
Stay seated. Focus. Yourself away.
Whoa, bro.
From the vehicle.
Wow, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. What's your name and badge number, dude?
Smith, 22444.
Cool, alright. Handsy, motherfucker.
Cool.
You're a little bitch, dude. That was a bitch move. I had my back turned to you. You're a little sucker, you know that? That's a complaint on your ass.
Now here's where things take a sharp turn. A citizen recording the scene is confronted by an officer who claims they're too close to a crime scene. The individual calmly insists they are not interfering. This is critical, because under First Amendment, recording police in public is protected activity as long as you don't obstruct. The officer demands space. The citizen stands firm. Tension spikes. Words are exchanged. The atmosphere shifts from procedural to personal. Instead of de-escalation, irritation creeps in. The badge suddenly feels less like public service and more like authority being challenged. And when authority feels challenged, ego often follows. That's when situations spiral. Not because of safety concerns, but because someone doesn't like being recorded.
Yes, bitch. And all of you guys, you just stand there and watch him? Is that okay to you guys that he did that?
When you're recording people private.
Hey, it's your job to close it, right? You're a little bitch, dude. You're a little bitch. Fuck you, dude.
Smith, a reasonable officer would turn around and de-escalate.
Shame on you, shame on you. Shame on you for making excuses. What's your name and badge number?
Meredith, 25640.
What about you?
It's just 25123.
Cool. We'll include all of you guys.
Cool.
Yeah? That was a bitch move, dude. Oh, because you don't know how to close your laptop. Is it my fault you guys didn't close it? You're going to shove me in the back, you little bitch?
Move you out of the way.
Fuck you, you shoved me in the back, dude. You're a little bitch. That was a bitch move. Hope you know that. I know you don't give a fuck. Your disdain for the public sucks. And you suck as an officer. You suck as an officer because you're okay with it. Fuck you and your little gang.
Kyler says they don't want us on property.
Okay. Cool.
Thank you.
That means please leave now.
Yep.
Thank you. Doesn't mean keep taking photos. You need to leave.
Oh. You're an asshole, dude.
Leave the property.
You're a bitch. Fuck you. Fuck you. Shove me in the back, you little bitch. Fuck you, you shoved me in the back.
You in my car.
What's up?
Suppose you in my car.
That was a bitch, man.
You left the laptop open, he filmed it, and the officer shoved him from behind.
Gotcha.
That's
But
not reasonable.
They don't want you guys on property, so you guys gotta go too.
I mean, Singh knows
So let's
us.
go more if you want, but I'm telling you.
Alright. Hey, Kyler says they don't want us on property.
And then it happens. An officer shoves the individual from behind. No warning. No visible threat. Just physical contact in response to recording. The citizen immediately calls it out, demanding badge numbers and accountability. Other officers stand nearby, watching. No one steps in to correct the behavior. Instead of calming the situation, the aggression fuels it. This is the moment that defines the encounter. A reasonable officer would de-escalate, explain boundaries clearly, and avoid unnecessary force. But instead, frustration takes control. Insults fly. Professionalism disappears. And what could have been a simple interaction now looks like retaliation. When officers react emotionally instead of lawfully, public trust erodes fast. And once that trust is gone, rebuilding it is nearly impossible. As the scene closes, the officers issue a trespass warning and demand the individuals leave the property. The justification feels thin, especially after the physical escalation. This is a pattern viewers have seen before. Challenge authority, and suddenly you're removed. But here's the key takeaway. You have the right to record on-duty police officers in public as long as you do not interfere. That right doesn't disappear because someone gets annoyed. This interaction serves as a reminder that awareness is power. When citizens understand the Constitution, they stand on firmer ground. And when police overstep, cameras expose it. That's why documenting encounters matters. Accountability doesn't happen in silence. It happens when people press record and refuse to back down.